In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the online newspaper effectively before taking any trade. Are you ready for this? Welcome back to Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Let's get started. So, heartily welcome for the first time inside my laptop to you all. So this is my soft copy of an online newspaper. I prefer business standard newspaper. Whichever you like, so you can just go for that. So how you can use this online newspaper effectively before taking any trade. This guys, this is not an news based trading, okay? We'll do our analysis normally, and to be sure, to be on the safer side, we'll just check if there is any latest news available. You can also check in Google or other websites. The thing is, like, you'll get a lot of messy data, okay? And you will get a lot of old data as well. So you'll be confused which is the good one or which is the true or which is bad. Like, you'll be totally confused. So what I suggest is just go and just register for, subscribe for any of the online newspaper, okay? Just get the copy of it before taking. See, suppose tomorrow if you're taking a trade, today as well as tomorrow morning, just go and search for the particular share name which you have analyzed for and see if there is any news, positive or negative news on that particular share, okay? See, suppose I'll give an example. For this, I'll just go for Control F, that's for search. I'll search for like Tata Motors. There is no such news available regarding Tata Motors. Let me search for Wipro. There is also no such major news on Wipro. Let me search for Tata Steel, and there are 21 results. See, you see here, right? Tata Steel rides metal rally to become second biggest firm in group. So it's kind of like a positive news. If my analysis is like for long, I'll go down, I'll take a long, just to make sure that there is not any bad news or opposite news of our trade analysis. So this is how we can effectively use the online newspaper. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Thank you.